This time in WWDC, Apple showed us the latest and greatest of the iOS offering, the iOS 14, and they have come out with the iOS 14 beta version. Now let me tell you one thing, beta version is never for faint-hearted. So if you have the heart of stone and can actually play with your device, go ahead, watch this video, and I'll tell you step by step how you can download iOS 14 beta on your device right now. Hi friends, this is Vibhor Maheshwary from Tech and Gadgets, where we make technology easy for everyone. If this is your first time over here, please consider subscribing. And anything that I talk about in this video will be linked in the description section below. So let's jump into the video. So to start downloading your iOS 14 public beta, you need to go to beta.apple.com. Now this is the website where you can actually sign up for the Apple beta program. So you need to be a member of the Apple beta program to actually do the beta testing for Apple and download all the beta softwares. So once you sign in with the Apple beta profile, you can download iOS 14, iPadOS 14 or any other iOS 14 updates beta profiles that they have for different devices at the moment. So to do that, you need to sign up for the iOS beta. I already am a member, so I'll just sign in. So once you sign in, guys, this is going to show you a guide to what the public beta profiles are. So this is essentially where Apple tells you that we are not responsible for whatever happens to your device and blah 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 blah. So you can go through all of that, but the crux is you need to back up your iOS device, guys. Back up your device. If you don't know how to back up your iOS device, I'll leave a link in the description for a video that I have made for how to actually back up. I'll also leave the resources from Apple's website itself, which is going to tell you exactly how you can back up your device. But essentially, please do back up your device. Once the backup has been done, you need to click on enroll your iOS device. Once you click on that, it is again going to tell you, please archive your backup. Like Apple is telling you everywhere, guys, just back up your device before you go ahead with doing anything like that. Once you have already done your backup and you're ready to actually install the iOS 14 public beta, you are going to download the profile. Once you click on download the profile, guys, there's going to be a pop-up. Just allow that pop-up, close this, and now you're going to go to the settings. In the settings, you're going to see that there is a profile which is downloaded. This is the iOS public beta profile. Click on that and click on install. It is going to ask you for the password of your iPhone. Once you have put in the password, there's going to be another message from Apple. You need to sign up, everything, and blah blah blah, and you click on install. Once you install this, there is going to be a download available in the download section. So you go back and your software update, you're going to find iOS 14 public beta available for downloading over here. You click on download and then you click on install now, which is going to install the public beta of iOS 14 on your device. It is going to restart your device a couple of times, guys. So guys, after the installation of iOS 14, your system will automatically restart and you will have the iOS 14 up and running on your system. You can see this is iOS 14 by going to settings, in general, and about, and you'll see this is iOS 14. Now this is a public beta version, guys. There might be some things which are missing right now. It might not have all the things which were shown in WWDC, but it definitely has a lot of features. If you swipe to the left, you'll see these new widgets coming up. So the widgets are already there, the new widgets are there, and you can also realign your screens. You can disable your home screens and can just have one screen for your entire home screen. All the apps are hidden. So there are some new features over here. I will play with these new features and give you my review of iOS 14 very soon. Stay tuned for that. And if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, guys, go ahead, subscribe to this channel. I will post my review of the new iOS 14 very soon. Don't forget to click on the like button and the notification icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Stay tuned for my next video, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.